Hello and welcome to our channel.
How to open eyes in Snapchat without passcode. So first of all, open Snapchat. Now tap on image icon. Now swipe to the right and click on My Eyes section. There is no way you can access the pictures in this section without passcode. So what I suggest is to reset the section. To do so, tap on Options on bottom right. You will see two options: Change passcode and Forgot passcode. If you remember your passcode, you can simply change it. But if you can't, tap on Forgot password. Enter your Snapchat account. You will lose all the pictures or videos previously saved in My Eyes. Accept the condition and continue. Create new passcode and remember that passcode for future use.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.